So this fractions of a set, there's really two ways to kind of draw out fractions of a set. One way is a little less efficient, but it's easier. The one that we did earlier is, let's read this first. It says, on a 0 to 100 degree thermometer, what temperature would it be if the mercury was half full? So basically saying 100 here. And we need half, 1 out of every 2. So I could draw out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I could draw out 100 degrees, so 100 of these dashes to represent a degree. And I could choose 1 out of every 2. So I could go these every 2 and just choose 1. 1. 1. Oops. 1, and so on. And then count up all these ones, and that would give me what 1/2 of 100 is. The faster way, but you kind of have to know how to multiply and divide fairly well, is I think about 100. That's the whole, one whole set. And I need half of that. So I need to, the bottom number tells how many pieces I have to cut this 100 into. I've got to cut the 100 into 2 equal pieces. So, well, half is easy because people recognize half. What is half of 100? Well, half of 100 is 50. So if I have 0 here, 50 is half, 100. I've got 1 of the halves. So I've got this part right here. I've got 50. 50 degrees is half of 100. Now, let's take a look at this one here. 3/4 full. 3/4. 3/4. 3/4. 3 out of every 4 pieces. I need to cut 100 into 4 equal pieces. So 4 is an even number. So what's half of 4? Is, what's half of 100? That's 50. And then I need to have these numbers right here to equal 4 pieces. 1 equal piece, another equal piece, another equal piece, another equal piece. So I've got the half is 50. What's half of 50? 25. So this is really going up by 25. 0 plus 25 is 25, plus another 25 is 50, plus another 25 equals 75, plus another 25 is the 100. So if I've got 3 out of these 4 pieces, 1 piece, 2, 3. 3 is 75. So 3 out of 4, 3/4 of 100 is 75. And you have to do that for these other ones. Exactly the same way. 8/10, I'd have 10 pieces, and I'd have 8 out of the 10 pieces. I'd chop 100 into 10 equal pieces and figure out what 8 of them would be, and so on.